Hello everyone. Today we will talk about password cracking. How we crack a password. First of all, what is password cracking? Password cracking is the process of the attempting to gain unauthorized access to the replication system by using common password or algorithm that guess password. In essence, it's a practice of obtaining correct passwords that grant access a system protected by an authentication method. There are various techniques employed in the password cracking to achieve its objective. This process can involve comparing a stored password against the word list or using algorithm generated matching passwords. So, what is password strength? Password strength is measured to how effective a password is resisting password cracking attempts. The strength of password is determined by several factors: first, length, complexity, unpredictability, and more. The length, number of characters in the password. The more number of characters you have added, it will give you more stronger password. Complexity, which combination of letter, number, symbol means if you would try to make password more complex that cannot be easily detectable or guess. Unpredictability, how difficult it is for an attacker to guess. Let's now look the practical example. We will use their password namely. First, first is simple word. Second, second is password plus number, and third is combination of password, number, and symbol. That is for first is weak password. Second is not a strong password. Third one is strong password. So now in the sense, we will utilize cPanel password strength indicator while generating password. The following is depict the password strength of each password listed above. The first one is very weak because it's used character only, and in second, this is used password character and numbers only. So this is weak, and the first one is very weak, and third one is strong because in this we have used number, character as well as a special character. So what what is password cracking techniques? Let's see the password cracking techniques. There are several techniques used to crack passwords. Here most commonly used ones. Dictionary attack. This method involves using word list, compare against user passwords, brute force attack, similar to a dictionary attack. Brute force attacks use algorithms that combine alphanumeric character, a symbol to generate password for attack. For example, a password like password could also be tried p at the rate dollar dollar word using a brute force attack. Rainbow table attack. This method uses pre-computed hashes. If the database stores password as CMD5 hashes, another database can be created with CMD5 hashes of the commonly used password. The stored password hash are then compared against these pre-computed hashes. If match found, the password is reset, and another is guessing. As the name suggests, method is involved guessing common default password like QWERTY, password, or admin. If these haven't been changed, or if the user chooses weak password, it can be easily guessed or compromised. And spidering. Many organizations use a password that include company information, which can be found in main company website and social media platform like Facebook and Twitter. Spreading gather this information to create a word list, which can use to run the dictionary and brute force attacks. And what are the password cracking tools? They are software programs that are used to crack passwords. Here are some commonly used password tools. The first one is John Doe. John Doe uses command prompted to crack password, making it suitable for advanced user comfortable with the commands. It employs wordlists, typically need purchase all the free alternatives are available for information users instruction visit John Defer website. Our another one is can enable. Can enable run on Windows and used to recovering user account password, Microsoft Access password, network sniffing, and more. Unlike John Defer, can enable feature graphical user interface, so making it popular among beginners. A script kit is due to its simplicity. For more information, you can visit on the Can Enable website. And another one is Off Crack. Off Crack is cross-platform window password cracker that uses Rainbow tables to crack password. It's on Windows, Linux, Mac OS. Or fact also include module for boot, brute force attack among the other features. For more information, you can see on the website. And EMSPy is key-level application that allow you to discreetly observe all the words someone typed without needing the physically present. The tool enables you to track everyone keystroke on the tab device, as well as monitor popular chat apps such as WhatsApp, Instagram, Tinder, Snapchat, and Viber. It also features built-in GPS tracker to locate device position. For more information, you can visit on their website. So our last one is how to protect against password cracking attacks. The organization can implement following method, method to reduce risk of password cracking. Use long and complex passwords. Avoid short and easily predictable passwords. Avoid predictable pattern. Instead, clear of password with predictable patterns such as 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or password like password 1. Encrypt stored password. Always encrypt the password that has been stored in database for file encryption. It is advisable to salt the password has before storing them. Salting involvement adding a random string password before getting the hash and the enforce strong password policies implement password strength indicator in the registration system and adopt the policy that require high strength password. Thanks for watching. We'll see in our next lecture.